Now we'd like to take you through the configurations and policy enforcement component. It is through this window that you'd be able to set configurations and policies as per your corporate standards. As stressed on earlier, we have made our entire dashboard and console highly customizable for it to fit your requirements and business use cases. For the purpose of demonstrating the same to you, we have configured some common modules. So first here we select a site, then select Configure and go to the wizard. Now under Application Management, we have the App Locker capability where you can lock down apps that you don't want your users to access. We have network-based, time-based, and location-based policies for the same. Using the App Controller feature, you can whitelist and blacklist applications. You can also remotely install or uninstall applications across private apps, public apps, and enterprise business applications. And of course, lastly, we have the KIOSK mode, as highlighted earlier, which would help you enable only a single or a few apps to work on the devices on separate access and profiles. Under security, you can set camera policies to enable or disable camera usage on network-based or time-based policies. You can also configure password policies on maximum password age and time to lock out, and also be able to configure sound alerts on your devices as well. On our telecom usage module, we have rolled out a set of configurations for you to track and monitor telecom usage. You can assign thresholds on the usage, block frequent incoming or outgoing or roaming calls, and execute these across your managed devices. For managing a network, we have Bluetooth policies and Wi-Fi policies where you can blacklist and whitelist SSIDs as per the parameters that have been set by you. Now, in a scenario where your user leaves the organization, or in a scenario where the device is stolen or lost, you have the ability to perform a selective wipe or a complete wipe. A selective wipe would only revoke all the corporate information residing on the device and will leave back the personal information as it is. A complete wipe would erase all the data on the device and bring it back to a factory reset. Now under the policy section, you can block USB jacks, disallow screen capture, disable mobile data, detect SIM or SD card change, or audio jack, and so on. You can also set data analytics and global location policies and updates for your devices. These policies help you control any security breach and maintain security standards across your corporate sensitive data. Now we can pull up some of the configurations and show you how this is done. For example, under App Controller, we would just need to open up the window and set the value and hit Execute. This would activate the policy on the device. It's as simple as that. Here, we will whitelist the app Chrome and blacklist a few applications, for example, Snapchat and QuickPick. Now, if you go to Camera, all you would have to do is check a box to disable the same, and this would reflect on the device and disable the camera functionality. In a similar manner, we can set these configurations across all other device functionalities that you might need to monitor and track.